You've been sold a lie that stiffness is just a part of life. It's not, it's a symptom of neglect. Today, I'll expose that lie and show you 6 powerful stretches that can redesign your body. Our first stretch confronts the posture that's become the unofficial uniform of modern life, the C-clamp spine. When your head drifts forward, every inch adds 10 pounds of pressure on your cervical spine. The Cobra press-up is the jolt of electricity your spine desperately needs. The goal isn't to crane your neck like a startled meerkat, but to create a long, elegant spinal curve. Lock your hips down by pressing the tops of your feet and pubic bone into the floor before you begin. This ensures safe, effective extension. The real architects of your slouch? The lats. Tight lats pull your shoulders forward and down, creating that hunched posture. Stretching them is about reclaiming space your body has lost. You should feel a deep pull along the sides of your torso from armpits to rib cage, as if someone is gently pulling your arms forward while you anchor your hips back. If your hips feel more like rusty hinges than fluid joints, the frog stretch is your reset button. Tight adductors from sitting all day restrict hip mobility, forcing strain into your back and knees. Ease into it. Don't force your pelvis to the floor. Keep your core lightly engaged so the stretch targets only your inner thighs. Next, the hip flexors. Years of sitting train them to stay short and weak, tugging your pelvis forward. The kneeling hip flexor stretch is your declaration of independence for a pain-free lower back. The key? A strong glute squeeze. That contraction signals your hip to release. If your lower back feels pinched, reset your posture. Now let's target the hidden culprit of deep one-sided back pain, the quadratus lumborum, or QL. Tight QLs create nagging low back aches most people misdiagnose. The side bend stretch gently pries apart your ribs from your pelvis. It's not about collapsing sideways. It's about creating a high, graceful arc. Finally, the butterfly stretch. This foundational move restores hip rotation lost from hours of sitting in chairs and car seats. This opens your inner thighs and groin, paving the way for deeper squats and an overall sense of hip freedom. These 6 stretches are your starting arsenal against stiffness, but true freedom of movement requires a full strategy. If you're ready for the blueprint, check out the link in the description. And before you go, watch my next video on building a resilient, pain-free body. You'll thank yourself later.